President Duterte has appointed Wilkins Villanueva as the new Director General of PDEA, or the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency. Villanueva confirmed his new post by sharing this appointment paper on Facebook. He thanked the president for the trust and confidence. Villanueva also mentioned Senators Bongo and Ronald de la Rosa. Villanueva is a former PDEA Region 10 Regional Director. He was also part of the Bureau of Customs, Customs Intelligence and Investigation Service. Villanueva replaces Aaron Aquino, who headed PDEA for almost 2 years.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.